Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. Today we're going to be getting into my fall Fab Fit Fun collection. If you're new, I'm Laura. I hope you stay around for the long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on creating new content for you. Fab Fit Fun is a lifestyle subscription. You get a box every season, and when the customization period opens, it's time to go in and pick your stuff right away so that the stuff doesn't sell out that you really want. But you usually get 5 to 6 different options within your customizations. If you want more than one, you can do that. You just have to pay a little bit extra. It's usually around $10 to $15. And yeah, you go through probably about 5 different customizations till you finish up your box. It's $59.99 a month, and you typically get $300 or more worth of products in here. This is one of my favorite ways to get beauty products, but I do really enjoy this particular box. So this one is for fall. This is what it looks like right on top. First up is the Ole Henriksen Pout Preserve Peptide Lip Treatment. Glow beyond the balm. Smooth, soften, and plump your pout with hydration with this overachieving, deliciously nourishing lip treatment. Hardworking peptides meet EFAs and antioxidants to help strengthen and bring bounce back to your dry lips. This is a retail value of $22. I love this stuff, so when I saw it, I had to grab this one. I do have the clear version of this. This one looks like it has a little bit of color there. We're going to try it out. Yeah, I like this. This one is called the Cocoa Cream. But they also comes in clear, but this is really great lip balm. Okay. I also see on top here I have a freebie. This is the Dove Oat Milk and Berry Brulee soap. So that's nice that they add extras in there for you to give a try. So it is a plant milk cleansing bar. Next up, I have the Caraway tea towels. It's a set of 2. I love the color. You guys can tell it's in that teal, so I grabbed them. I thought they'd be nice in my kitchen. And these are a value of $30 for both of them. And I'm loving the colors. It says they're 100% organic cotton, machine washed cold light colors, gentle cycle, tumble dry. So perfect. All right. Okay, now we have jewelry. I love jewelry. So we're going to dig into this. This is by Ellie Veil. It is the Lorette Medium Hoop Earring. Look how pretty those are. They come in silver and gold. I got the gold, and they are $61 retail. These are so pretty. Water resistant, hypoallergenic, stainless steel, a great basic hoop. I feel like you can never have enough hoops. All right, then we have Kate Spade sunglasses. I love these. These are the Emmeline Rose Gold Aviators. $129 retail. Oh yeah. These are cute. I like these, and they're comfortable. They don't feel heavy. They're not touching my cheeks, which I always worry about that when they sit on my cheeks. These are cute. I really like these. These got a lot of positive reviews too. They have 4.38 stars out of 5. These are nice. All right, then we have a One Kind product. I love One Kind. This is the Dream Cream Nighttime Moisturizer, $40 value. And it says it intensely soothes, hydrates, enhances skin tone for glowing skin in the AM. P.S. It feels like a dream. So you apply a generous amount to face, neck, and neck at night. So I'm looking forward to giving this a try. And last but not least, oh no, it's not last. There's one more product in here. Next, I have a KitchenAid Loaf Pan. So I chose this because I needed one. I was really glad that they had it as an option. I love the variety that you get with Fab Fit Fun. Just love it. There's so many. Like I said, I typically almost always use it for beauty products, but this one I mixed up a bit with the tea towels and this loaf pan. I love this. This is valued at $29.99. It says from bread to meatloaf. This pan is a holy grail kitchen accessory that you're, that you're sure to use all season long. It's chip and stain resistant thanks to the highly durable stoneware and allows for even heat distribution and retention. It's dishwasher, freezer, and oven safe. Makes for perfect for leftovers. So I thought this was adorable. And it's a really nice size. So I did mix my stuff up this time. I felt like with a little bit more variety. And my last item is the Home Court CC Room Deodorant. So I really wanted to try this out. This is valued at $45, and it says that it's cruelty-free, clean ingredients, recycled. And you shake it well. You spray it generously into the air to neutralize odors and impart lasting fragrance. Make sure to point the nozzle away from your face. Yes. And they don't want you to spray directly onto fabrics, people, or pets. All right, Wyatt, I won't spray this on you. So, you know, with all the animals in my home, with my dad in the basement, I feel like I'm starting to need a little bit of air freshener just to keep my house smelling fresh. And not smell like animal, especially with my dad's added dog. There's a lot of animals in my house right now, so I wanted to give this a try. If you have a favorite air freshener, let me know what it is. That's long lasting, let me know. Okay, and that's all my pieces. So I thought this was a really great collection. My little bee friend is back. Yeah, so 7 items, everything from kitchen stuff with the tea towels and my loaf pan to jewelry to sunglasses. And then I did get beauty products with the one brand as well as the Ole Henriksen lip gloss. So, in my home deodorizer. I thought this was a great collection. I enjoyed this. All right, I will list all the information for Fab Fit Fun down below. I love that these are highly customizable boxes, so you have a great chance of getting items that you really can use every single day. And if you use my link, you should get money off your first box. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. Hope you're having an amazing week, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, everybody.